Alright guys, so the video today is going to be about changing the exhaust system on the pre-facelift 8V RS3. So essentially my car is going back shortly, hence the wheels have become silver again, and I'm going to take the sports exhaust off that's on the car and then replace it with a standard exhaust here. So I thought it'd be quite useful for some people to just get some insight into what makes a sports exhaust or vice versa. So this is a standard exhaust here that you can see on the floor off the car, and essentially these things here are called bullet silencers, and on the standard exhaust they are longer than on the sports exhaust, and you'll see that when we compare to the exhaust that comes off the car. In addition to that, just adjacent to the exhaust tips, you'll note that there is no interconnecting pipe here on either side, and again that's a feature of the standard exhaust. On the sports exhaust you'll see that the left side has an interconnecting pipe just around here. So we're going to get the car on the ramp shortly and then we'll show you the other bits. So just looking from the front of the car now, then you've got your flexi here. Up there somewhere you've got your primary cats, can't see them from here, but this joint is where your secondary cat should be. As you can see, I've obviously got the Miltech secondary decap pipe here. You come further back, and this is the point at which your actual exhaust system starts then. So if you look here, these are your bullet silencers, and can't really appreciate it here, but these are definitely shorter than the other ones, and the other ones that would actually come up to about this line here, so you can tell. And then I'll show you that interconnecting pipe that we're talking about. So there, see this interconnecting pipe, that's not present on the other exhaust. Just on the, yeah, you can visibly see there your standard pretty long compared to these. It's worth having a stand like this so that when the exhaust comes down, it takes the weight. Good. Just one side out. We've got one side down. Second side down. There you go. So this side to side now. So small bullet silencers, long bullet silencers, interconnecting pipe, no interconnecting pipe. So this is what it looks like when everything's off the car. Just empty, and then we're putting the secondary cats back in. So just your normal bolts there, and the cats themselves have studs in them, so you just need the nuts, sorry.